In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to completely remove or uninstall Google Chrome from your Windows computer. This process is perfect for those who want to start fresh, perhaps due to troubleshooting purposes, or simply because you're looking to use a different web browser. We'll break it down step by step so you can follow along comfortably with ease. The first step in this process is to navigate to your computer's Start menu. You'll find this by clicking the Start icon, typically located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once you've clicked this, type Installed Apps into the search bar. What you're doing here is opening a list that contains all the applications currently installed on your computer. This is where you'll find the programs that you may want to remove, including Google Chrome. With the list of installed apps now open, go ahead and scroll through until you locate Chrome. Sometimes, the sheer number of programs might feel overwhelming, so remember that the list is usually arranged alphabetically, which should make it easier to spot Chrome along the way. Once you've found Google Chrome in the list, take a look to the right side where there's a three-dot icon. Click on these three dots. This little drop-down is your gateway to various options related to the program, giving you the control you need to manage it. Now, having opened up those options via the three-dot menu, what you need to do next is select Uninstall. When you click this, a prompt will likely appear asking you to confirm your decision to uninstall Chrome. Make sure to read these prompts carefully and confirm that you wish to proceed with the uninstallation. Remember, uninstalling an application like Chrome will remove all user data such as bookmarks, saved passwords, and browsing history, unless you choose otherwise during the prompt. You can choose to back up this data beforehand if needed. After confirming the uninstallation, Windows might require a bit of time to complete this process, so be patient. Once finished, you'll receive a notification or prompt indicating that Chrome has been successfully removed from your computer. So there you have it, the simple steps to fully uninstall Google Chrome from a Windows setup. Whether you're clearing up space, resolving issues, or just exploring other options, removing Chrome can be done quickly and effortlessly. If you decide at any point that you'd like to reinstall Chrome or try out another browser, you can do so by downloading it again from the respective official site. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found these instructions helpful for maintaining your computer's software environment.